this video, let's talk about the 2022 Ford Explode wheel spacers. Let's go. The 2022 Ford Explode wheel spacers can be available as upgrades to installing them increase the wheelchair width and then lowers the vehicle center of gravity and road center. Structurally, this improves the vehicle stability and grip, allowing it to pass sharp turns and rough roads with greater speed and a more stable attitudes. This is the perfect way to avoid spending a lot of money on a set of negative ET wheels. Besides, improving the match safety and handling performance, the Explode spacers also can make your car more aggressive and rapid. They push the wheel far away from the hub assembly, and the outer face of the tire will flush with the car body kit. It can change the conservative stance of the factory wheel tucked in the fender. The purpose of Hub-Centric wheel spacers is to tightly and firmly combine the wheel hub and X-hub, keeping the original wheel loading structure. BONOSS wheel spacers has a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS wheel spacer can also be wheel adapter with different data, providing vehicle owner with more choice. Once again, my name is Grace. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.